no more freedom of speech. When we talk up the government send police now. Them a chat bout open a the jeep. So right now every truth a reveal. Them say, to protest we need
Them two be they don't look like them come from boy. Them don't look like Romeo type. So when you not see me, you can't say morning. How grown man? And corner face look bright, you know. You not got no manners. You know say you not come from around here, so you know. Cause I hungry manners every people come from around here, so. Who know? Who up and go long pass, man? I stare out my morning and can't say that. Sure. See the one screechy ear. Wonder if the boy fly out and don't even hear me make me know where I'm going. But wait, let him push that out the door. Nah man, him not gone. Cause he would let him push so careless out of the house. Plus if him gone out a poor thing dark bite, he would have leg out in the yard. And that push they wouldn't lay down there so comfortable. Same thing. Dog ever chase puss like over and always a chase scratches. A long time gotta show his sign say old dog ever run them pussy. I don't mind chop I'll kill up themself for catchy. Blood clot.
We a go sit them out like rubbish. FAIM drop the one ya me see them get panic.
Yo Dread. Yo Dread. I go on like you know a blood clot answer. Like you think man a big yourself. Nothing can tell me say you're not near meat, you know. But your name jerky. I jerk chicken and a chat but you only sell it in a near me. Move your blood clot, lie your ass still. Like you have somebody where you pay for taste it when you don't season up all the fowl body. You know how we are try tricking. When we feed you and nyam when you sell off your night to you know. Or your main chicken breast slap between two slices of bread. Talk up.
You never get a better blood clot name. Prekkeh. I be a them thing you're going with, you know. One day, you're going to fuck around around somebody, make them lick in your blood.
Right on, yo, Dread. Right on. The pussy where you do that no ban yet. Word is wind, blow is unkind, that my granny said. Me in my yard, I chat under me one a tree. A fool can't stand truth need because stand up in front of God, that me say. Me know some real Rasta man and them love animals, but them not name them or bury them up in their belly like cemetery. Real Rasta man food no bleed, strictly ital greens not the dread. Pedal and wheel, or lick. Go lick a lollipop. Shot bow.
Lover, 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 love. I love my roots daughter. Lover, 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 love. I love my roots embrace. Yeah.
Good God. That woman they look goody, man. Jeez and peas, where she come from? I mean like her beauty slap on the blood clot voice. But I know my voice alone gone. My whole body feels stiff like the spirit abandoned me or gone for a walk or something. I said nothing breaks. To blood clot. I said nothing. Just hold distance. I make sure pass and go on. Ross. Then how my foot them feels up all of a sudden. Like the man for me. Why the Ross clot this? That woman ya. That woman ya presence a weak me blood snot. Me bumbo. She a wave. I know me can't move. And catch the smile. But Boy, she pretty. And she a smile at me too, you know. She must say I think me fool, cha. And what is for me divine mama? Boy, hold it, Prekkeh, hold it. She a take long for pass the way, man. Like she know she have me away and a spite me, you know. As she leg on me gears, straight in on my blood clot bed me a go back. Two blows go. Cha. Boy, finally. No to ass. Feel like that woman that just jinxed me bumper clot. She a Mannas too.
We a go sweep them out like rubbish. FAIM drop the one and we see them get panic. All over the world people astonish. With them cheap poor people make me sick one vomit. Yo then, them mind dirty, them heart no clean. From the top to the bottom we a clean the stream. Yo, Rasta straight, no bend no lean. Stop force people fi take your damn vaccine. Them say, the protest we need permit. So if you get an export, you better earn it. Truth reveal, everybody them a learn it. Get them out, then your government no root it.